Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with session number 3 of my girl Amelia's color correction. I have both previous videos linked down below of our first 2 sessions. This is our second lightening session, but third altogether. So Amelia is a natural level 6 redhead, I'd say, and she came to me with 3 inches of virgin red regrowth and a huge 4-inch band of a level 4 box dye from a while ago. Session 1 we did some heavy lifting. Session 2 we just did a root color and an all over color to pack some pigment on there and even things out a little bit because it was a little crazy the way it lifted. And session number 3, which is today, we want to do a full baby light and do as many small baby lights as possible, as many foils to pack them in and get as an even lift as possible. So today I am using my 2 rider dyes, Goldwell Oxycur Lightener with my Go 220 volume. This will keep the hair as healthy as possible during this process. And of course I have my Olaplex number 1 in each bowl, always a 1/16 ounce.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my.
As you can see, when I baby light, I keep my stitch very fine and close together. Sometimes people do mistake it for a slice, but it is a weave. I assure you, I weave every foil. The only time you'll ever see me do a slice is when I do money pieces around the hairline. With Amelia, I just did really small, closer baby lights for a couple of foils, and then I slowly worked my way back into normal size subsections. This is something I tend to do with clients who are a color correction or not too light because I want it to come off looking more natural as opposed to thicker. And when a client has old color, I always steer clear of slicing around the hairline. I find very small, fine baby lights work just fine, as you will see here shortly.
Can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear
This is the bang section I have sectioned off. I did this because I wanted to get very detailed. You can see how I did about 3 or 4 baby lights a little closer together than I did my rest of my highlights. This way I did them back to back with minimum subsections, and then after that I worked my way back into bigger subsections than the rest of the hair to give that very blended money piece appearance.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us.
So quickly moving on to the next part of this session, I let her process for a total of an hour and 15 minutes, if not an hour and 20 minutes long. You guys don't be scared of bleach. Let it process, let it do its job. Use a low developer and let it cook slowly. You are not supposed to rinse the bleach out and start counting the processing time as you start applying the foils, but at the conclusion when you're finally done foiling completely. And you guys, for her toner, I mixed 8 colors. Yeah, I said it, 8 colors. I mixed 7NB, 7G, 7T, 8VB, 8GI, 8N, 9B, 9G. It's a lot, but it came out beautiful. Keep watching.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
Alright guys, there you go. Session number 3 finally complete. Let me know what you want to see in the next session. Let me know if you want to see the next session and the next session and the next one after that. I would love to do it for you guys. Leave video ideas down yonder below in the comment section as well. Guys, thank you so much for the continued love and support. It means the world to me truly. And until the next one, so long for now.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history.
Are you guys seeing this? OMG. Session number 3. There'll be another one and another one until we get there. Look at that root shadow. It cooled down her base. She's a natural redhead. And this cut, we just took like an inch and something off. She's very tall, so I have to like stand up. But like, oh my God, you guys, she wants to be blonde and we're getting there. She's officially a blonde today. It's official. And it looks so good on her. Oh my God, baby lights for the win. We had her process after I got done foiling for a good hour and 15, 20 minutes, didn't we not? You have to let the client process if you really want to get that lift in there. And the band's gone, like bye-bye band. Who are you? We don't know. She's here, she's living for it. Oh my God, you guys. This is gorgeous. Okay, let me know down below if you want to see session number 3. Oh my God, I gotta go, it's beautiful.
I just need to clear my head.